Okay, now this is really powerful, so pay attention, pause, rewind, whatever you need to do. Okay, so before you do anything, you want to do a pre-test. You want to record your results, okay, and you want to, that's your benchmark of where you're at, and we need that so we know what works for your brain. Then what you want to do, press quiz summary. Now don't waste these quiz summaries. Every time you have right and wrong answers in front of you, that's a perfect opportunity to implement all the study and memory techniques that I'm going to tell you. So what you do is you pick out the key component of the question and the key component of the answer, and you go, right, the lift formula is bar, okay, or the way flaps affect angle of descent is, and then you say the answer. Okay, and use that as a study session within itself. Then what you're going to do is you're going to record all the topics you got wrong, like I showed you in the book. Then what you're going to do is go to the textbook and find the content pages for those things and record them like I showed you in the earlier video. You're going to study your problem topics using all the memory and study techniques that I teach you, and preferably combine several of them. And then what you're going to do is you're going to record what methods you used when you studied. So for example, in this study session, I might use technique A, B, and C. I might use like saying it out loud. I might use these little model aircraft, you know, to do angle of descent versus, or climb, best climb angle versus best climb rate. Okay, so get used to using these for all your different things. And then what you want to do is you want to, after you've done several sessions and done these post results, which I'll get to in a sec, you'll end up comparing those study methods and the results that you're getting to find the best ones for you. Okay, because when you do pattern A, you know, where you do this, this, and this, you might be improving by, say, 20% every time you do it. When you do these other methods, 2 or 3 methods, you might only be improving by 4 or 5%. So clearly we know that's what works for your brain. Okay, and that's the key to recording your pre, your post, and your study method. Now, when it comes to doing your post-test, what you want to do there is, again, don't waste the opportunity to use the right and the wrong answers, to use that as its own little study session. Then record your results like I showed you, and then pay a mental picture about how much did that improve me, so that you can look back through your book where you're recording everything and work out whether, you know, hey, that's something I should pay attention to. Okay? Now, you obviously need to repeat that process till you've got enough data, maybe 5, 6, 7 tests, and then you're going to get a very good picture of which study methods are working for you. Okay? And you need to vary those study methods until you find the best one.